What are you doing going down on your belly? You're silly. What'd you learn how to do that for? Christopher, it's time for us to go. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Say one more time, Daddy. One more time, Daddy. One time, Daddy.
You're too little to be going down face. You're too little. Let's go. Come on.
No.
Yeah, come on. Come on. Let's go.